Dear students, how are you all? Hope you all are happy and healthy. So today we are going to start in science subject lesson number 8, keeping healthy. So in this lesson we are going to learn about how to keep ourselves clean and what are the things we should keep in mind while doing any work or reading, eating or playing. So each and everything from morning to night we are going to learn how to keep ourselves healthy. Okay, so see on page number 5 to 52 of lesson number 8, keeping healthy. KEEPING, keeping. HEALTHY, healthy, keeping healthy. First line, OUR, our, BODY, body, DOES, does, ALOT, lot, OF, of, WORK, work, FOR, for, US, us. Our body does a lot of work for us. हमारी बॉडी जो है हमारे लिए बहुत सारा वर्क करती है. नेक्स्ट लाइन, WEBMUST, must, TAKE, take, CARE, care, OF, of, IT, it, TO, to. We must take care of it too. Our body helps us to do lot of work for us, so we should take care of it. REMAIN, remain, FIT, fit, AND, and, HEALTHY, healthy. We must take care of it to remain fit and healthy. So our body helps us to do our work, so we should take care of our body to keep our body fit and healthy. So how to keep our body fit and healthy? So we'll go through this lesson more. WEVMUST, must, EAT, it, HEALTHY, healthy, FOOD, food. We must eat healthy food. KEEP, keep, OUR, our, SELVES, ourselves, CLEAN, clean, TAKE, take, REST, rest, EXERCISE, exercise, AND, PLAY, play. We must eat healthy food, keep ourselves clean, take rest, exercise and play. To keep our body fit and healthy, what you should do? You should eat first one, healthy food, keep ourselves means keep ourselves clean, keep your body clean and take proper rest, do exercise and also play, take some time to play, so your body get one type of exercise also and your muscles also become strong. And exercise is also good for health, it keeps more healthy to your body. So here are few pictures, you are going to color that. Color the pictures of the children you think are clean and healthy. So here you are going to color the picture, which you are going to color picture that you look like that this boy or a girl seems like clean and healthy. आपको पिक्चर में से सिलेक्ट करना है कौन सा बॉय या जो गर्ल है, उसका आपको जो नीचे एक सेंटेंस है उसके हिसाब से वो क्लीन है और उसका बॉडी भी हेल्दी है. सो फर्स्ट वन, मन्नू इज़ बाइटिंग, BITING, biting, HIS, his, and AILS, nails. Manu is biting his nails. So this is not good. So here I did wrong mark. So you are not going to color this picture. Second picture, JIA, Jia, IS is WEARING, wearing, CLEA and clean, CLOTHES, clothes. Jia is wearing clean clothes. So to wear a clean clothes is good. That seems that it is clean and healthy. So here I did right tick. So you are going to fill color in this picture. And third one, SEEMA, Seema, has, WASHED, washed, HER, her, HANDS, hands, BEFORE, before, EATING, eating. Seema has washed her hands before eating. So this is good habit. It keeps your body healthy. So here I did right tick. So in picture of Jia and Seema right tick, you are going to fill color in this both picture. And fourth picture, SONU, Sonu, IS is COVERED, covered, WITH with MUD, mud. Sonu is covered with mud. So here I did wrong mark, means this is not good. It doesn't keep your body healthy. So first and fourth picture you are not going to fill color. You are going to fill color in second and third picture. And it is your choice. You can fill any color. Okay. So you are going to do this work today. Okay, so you are going to do in as a homework this work, color the pictures. Okay, so two picture you are going to color. Now we see on the next class. On next page, page number 5353. STAY, stay, CLEA and clean, stay clean. TO2, STAY, stay, CLEA and clean, to stay clean, TAKE, take, CARE, care, TO2, DO, ALL, all, THESE, this, THINGS, things. To stay clean, take care, to do all these things. To keep yourself clean, what you should do? Here are the few pictures that you are going to see and understand, keep in mind, and you are going to take care of yourself. So first picture, a boy is brushing his teeth. BRUSH, brush. YOUR, your, TEETH, teeth, TWICE, twice, DAY, day, brush your teeth twice a day, means you brush your teeth 2 times, twice means 2 times in a day, once in morning and second time before sleeping, that at night. ONCE, once, in the MORNING, morning, and ONCE, once, AT, at, and IGST, night. Once in the morning, once at night. So total 2 times you brush your teeth. Second picture, TAKE, take, ABATH, bath, EBERYDAY, every day. Take a bath every day. You should take bath every day. WEAR, wear, CLEA and clean, CLOTHES, close, AFTER, after, ABATH, bath. Take a bath every day. Okay. Next thing is wear clean clothes after a bath. To wear a clean clothes after taking bath. Don't use dirty clothes after taking bath. Third picture, SHAMPOO, shampoo, YOUR, your, HAIR, hair, shampoo your hair, REGULAR, LARLY, regularly. Shampoo your hair regularly means wash your hair regularly. COMB, comb. THEM, dam. TO2, KEEP, keep. THEM, dam. TIDY, tidy. Shampoo your hair regularly means you wash your hair with shampoo. Then after washing, cleaning, dry, you comb them and keep them tidy. So comb means कंघी करना, बाल को सही से रखना है. ऐसे नहीं कि बाल वॉश करके आप ऐसे तैसे घूमो या ऐसे ऐसे रखो, तो सही से बाल भी करना है. नेक्स्ट पिक्चर. WASH, wash. YOUR, your. HANDS, hands. BEFORE, before. And AFTER, after. EATING, eating. Wash your hands before and after eating. Next picture. KEEP, keep. YOUR, your. And NAILS, nails. Keep your nails. SHORT, short. AND CLEN, clean. Keep your nails short and clean. Okay, so from this lesson, today's this much we did. We keep in our mind that we should keep our body neat and healthy, that is fit and healthy. Why? Because our body takes a lot of work, do lot of work. So to keep our body, brush your teeth twice, take bath, wear clean clothes, shampoo your hair and comb and keep them tidy. Wash your hand before and after taking or eating food. Keep your nails short and clean. Okay, so these all are good activities we should keep in our mind to keep our body fit and healthy. So next we will do in the next class. And one question is there for you. Why should we not bite our nails? Nail को क्यों काटना नहीं चाहिए दांतों से? क्योंकि because DIRT, dirt, and GERM is germs, UNDER, under the NAILS, nails, GOES, gauze, in the STOMACH, stomach, WHICH, which, CAN, MAKE, make, US, SICK, sick. We should not bite our nails because dirt and germs under the nails goes in the stomach, which can make us sick. नाखून नहीं काटने चाहिए क्योंकि नाखून में जो जर्म्स और डर्ट होता है वो जब हम काटते हैं टीथ से तो वो सारे जर्म्स और डर्ट स्टमक में जाता है. स्टमक में जाने से हमें वो बीमार करता है. So keep in mind. Okay. So today we end our lesson over here. Thank you students. Have a nice day.